Let's start with the foundation of our journey into trading the financial markets, whether that's stocks, forex, or commodities. One of the most important concepts every trader needs to understand is technical analysis. So let's begin with a simple question. What exactly is technical analysis? Technical analysis is the study of price action for any tradable financial instrument, stocks, currencies, commodities, you name it. It uses charts and statistical indicators to analyze price movements, identify trends, and pinpoint key levels of support and resistance. The goal is to recognize historically relevant price patterns and behaviors that may help forecast future price direction. Unlike fundamental analysis, technical analysis focuses strictly on price, not on a company's financials or operations. So, how does technical analysis actually work in practice? At its core, it's about understanding supply and demand through historical price data. Large institutions such as mutual funds, hedge funds, and other major players are the ones that truly move markets. I like to think of them as dinosaurs walking through sand. They can't move without leaving footprints. Technical analysis allows us to track those footprints using charts and indicators. By doing that, we can identify areas where there's strong buying or selling interest, and because market behavior tends to repeat itself, those historical patterns can offer valuable clues about what might happen next. Now, what are the basic building blocks of technical analysis? Technical analysis relies on a variety of tools and indicators, things like trend lines, moving averages, volume, and momentum indicators. No single tool works on its own. The real power comes from using the right combination of tools to create converging signals, which can increase the probability of a successful directional trade. Let's talk about charts for a moment. What exactly is a stock chart? Charts are the backbone of technical analysis. They visually represent historical price data on a graph, making it much easier to spot trends, patterns, and key price levels. When looking at a chart, traders are trying to answer important questions. Where is support and resistance? Is the stock trending or ranging? What's the overall market sentiment, and where might price go next? Charts help map out both the market's past behavior and its potential future path, leading to better informed decisions. So, why are charts so essential for traders? Charts are like a roadmap for the market. Since price behavior often repeats itself, charts give us a way to visualize those recurring patterns. While chart interpretation can be subjective and varies from trader to trader, over time the market reveals whether an interpretation was correct. The challenge, and the opportunity, is identifying that clarity before it becomes obvious to everyone else. That's where traders aim to capitalize, spotting transparency before it fully materializes. That's a great place to stop for today. In the next video, we'll continue building on this foundation and dive deeper into stock charts and technical analysis. Make sure to follow for more educational content as we keep moving forward.